Hello again, I'm Dave Coleman. Today I want to talk about attorneys. These are the men and women I've come to know very well in my 35 years in the aircraft transaction business. Most aircraft buyers and sellers realize they need an attorney, given the dollar size of the transaction, the lack of regulations governing these sales, and the as-is, non-recourse nature of most aircraft deals. In addition, aircraft transactions fall apart on a routine basis. The trick is to hire an attorney who can prevent that from happening, especially after large sums of money have been invested. Surprisingly, finding the right attorney for a transaction isn't as simple as many people believe. That's because there are several dozen legal specialty areas within aviation law, and at least a half a dozen subsets within business aviation itself. If an attorney specializes in aviation regulatory issues, airline transactions, or aviation tort litigation, they're not going to be much help when you're buying a business jet. There are also unique tax and jurisdictional issues that only a business aviation attorney will fully understand. Now, so how do you find the right person for your particular transaction? Well, I think aircraft brokers are the best source to recommend an attorney because they've watched these people in action. If an attorney comes recommended by a broker that I trust, I put them at the top of my list. Secondly, I want an aviation attorney that handles only business aviation transactions. Even if they purport to specialize in these transactions, I'm gonna ask for a list of references. Third on my list, I might head right to their website for a quick look at their practice areas. These should confirm their primary focus and tell me if their secondary practice areas are something useful, like aircraft registration, aircraft taxes, or other type of management or ownership issues. Fourth, I want someone who's been in the business long enough to have mastered the specialty, and they can anticipate the issues and what the other party may want to negotiate. Next, I think an attorney's personality is an important part of making it all work. There are plenty of exceptional attorneys who are also great to work with. That means there is no reason to tolerate someone with a poor bedside manner. Finally, wasting time arguing over nonsense is a great way to kill the perfectly good aircraft deal. An attorney that offers creative solutions for real problems instead of arguing over trivial details is the type of person I want on my team. Remember, if a deal falls apart over a problem that could have been easily addressed, everyone loses. Well, except for the attorneys. They still get paid. Sure, all these qualifications apply to choosing any attorney, but business aviation is a niche within a niche, and every attorney learned this specialty on someone else's dime. Remember that list of references you asked for? You'd be surprised how few folks actually check them. Thanks for watching, and call me if you have an attorney you'd like to check out.